So today we're going to look at a couple examples of different sampling situations and determine what kind of sample it is. So number 3 says, identify which type of sampling design is being used in each scenario. Letter A school administrator randomly selects 12 classes from your school and then randomly selects 5 students from each class to study a school library issue. So if I look at this, I notice that it's 2 steps. First, they're randomly selecting classes and then randomly selecting students within the class. So if I look at the definition of a 2-stage cluster sample, the first thing I do is I create a numbered list of all the clusters, which would be classes, in your population, and take a simple random sample of the clusters. Okay, that'd be the first step. And then I create a numbered list of all the individuals in each cluster in each class and take a simple random sample from each cluster. So 3A would be a 2-stage cluster sample. 3B says a school administrator uses random numbers to select a sample of 60 students from the roster of students enrolled in your school. So that's just a simple random sample. He took the population, all the students enrolled in the school, and selected a random sample of 60 students. Okay, letter C says a school administrator gets a sample of 60 students from your school by randomly selecting 15 freshmen, 15 sophomores, 15 juniors, and 15 seniors. So this would be a stratified random sample. He first divided the units into non-overlapping subgroups, which is the grade levels, and then took a simple random sample from each subgroup. So that would be a stratified random sample. Okay, letter D says, a school administrator uses the roster of students enrolled in your school to select a sample of students by choosing a person randomly from among the first 20 and then taking every 20th name on the roster thereafter. That is a systematic sample with random start. Our start picking the sample is random, a random person in the first 20, and then we have a system after that of taking every 20th name on the roster thereafter.